and welcome to my channel. I'm Savita. This channel is all about DIYs and furniture painting, mostly Indian style. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to paint this small table. If you like colors and distressed antique look, then this video is for you.
Before painting any furniture, it needs to be deep clean. Make sure it is clean from dust and dirt. To give it a distressed look, I am going to use 3 different colors, red, gold and blue. First I am applying the red color. I choose Imperial from Waverly. I have applied 2 coats of red and allowed it to dry between the coats. Once the red coat has dried, I am giving a touch of gold to some places which I would like to highlight later. I choose golden ticket from Debis DIY. I'm going to give the third color blue iris from Debis DIY. I gave 2 coats of blue iris and allowed it to dry between the coats. Now the fun part starts. I take a damp rag and wipe off the blue iris in some areas to bring the hidden gold and red colors back. This gives the distressed look. To get the Indian traditional appearance, I always prefer doing some stencil work. The painting part is now done and it's time to finish it. I'm using clear wax to give the finish. As we apply the wax, it enhances the colors. To get that antique finish, I am also applying the black wax. Once the wax has dried, it needs buffing to give a shiny buttery finish. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe, press the bell button and get notified for my future projects. Thanks for watching.